Exceptional. Exceptional. Everyone dirty carpet. Exceptional. By bus easy to travel to and from airport. Very relaxing. Good sleep. Good access to the local bus. It was close to a local bus stop. It was clean. The manager was extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Really good accommodation for few money. Everything was okay. Easy and comfortable enough. Easy way from and to airport. Very friendly driver of navette. Comfortable bed. Awesome value for money and great bed. Very big and comfortable bed. Nice staff. Awesome value for money. First class. Convenient. Exceptional. Ground floor room. Fabulous. The hotel was good value for the price. Friendly staff and neat rooms. Great value for your money and for short stays. As always, the location and price point are very good. Friendly staff, close to the airport. Recommendation for a short stop near the airport. We were greeted at night by a very nice receptionist. The communication went smoothly. Check-in was quick, so we were able to get to our room quickly. The rooms were clean. The bed was very comfortable. We could easily book a shuttle service at reception. The driver came on time, right about 10 to 15 minutes. The hotel is one of the closer accommodations to the airport. I can recommend the accommodation.